no, there's a fire. Everybody, there's a fire. Call the fire truck. Call the fire station. Ding, ding, ding. Hello? There's a fire on the train. Please come. Please come and help us. There's a fire on the train. Okay, we'll be right there. We're on our way. Pour the water on it. Pour the water on it. Fast. Good job. Good job. Keep pouring the water. Good job. Keep pouring the water. We don't want to get the animals. Be careful. We need to get this fire out. We don't want the barn to burn down. Get those animals out of there. Come on! Go, go, go! You too, Mr. Horse! Go, go, go! Okay, good job. Keep pouring the water on. We need to get rid of this fire. Hey, what's happening here? There's a fire. We just put it out. Good job, guys. All right. We're going. See you later. Good job, guys. Put that fire out. Okay, we can handle it. Okay, you got it. We'll go back to the main base. See you there. Okay, the fire's put out. Good job. Let's go back. Watch out for the claw. The claw is coming out. There's a claw in that cave. stop it. Come out of there. No. I'll get you. Hey, we're gonna get you. Get out of there. Give us back our police car. Give us back our fire truck. Get out of there, Claw. We're gonna get you.